In this video, we're going to be taking a look at this page, all the elements in this page, where all the elements came from that I put on this page. The reason I put them on the page was in the hopes that I would get results like you see right here. So this product is being sold over on Warrior Plus, so I went over to the offers page and I took a look and I really liked this image. So I said I'm going to use that image and I'm going to use some images and some of the key points. For example, the headline, highly lucrative guinea pigs coloring book, niche without having any drawing skills or technical knowledge about graphics. Basically, the idea here is this is all done for you and the fact that you get a full commercial license to this product. So I took a look and I said, what else and what are the elements that I think are important to keep the congruency, meaning when someone lands on my bonus page and they come to this sales page, it's going to be an easy decision for them to click the buy now button. Which, taking those elements, brought me to this page with a big headline, bonus. Get all the bonuses on this page when you click and buy via the link on this page. Here you can see the image from the Warrior Plus offer page. And then again, these headlines and these bullets, or this headline and these bullets, were all part of the sales page, as well as the headlines and subheadlines and the bullets you see here, as well as the image. And then, of course, when I said, now let's see your bonuses, I simply just took these images that I was given as bonuses and I made these simple graphics inside of Canva. And this bottom graphic here is simply just a screenshot of how to actually get your bonus when you make the purchase through Warrior Plus. And the bonus is automatically delivered, so I made sure to mention that. I simply just went to my Groove account. There's a link in the description to grab your free account to see how this works. And I simply just went under Groove Pages and Groove Funnels. And I said I want to create a new site. So I clicked New Site. And then I simply just said to myself, I'm just going to scroll through here until something grabs my attention, because that's what the point is. I want my attention to be grabbed. And lo and behold, wait. This page right here, if you click Preview, you'll see this is the page that I started with, or the template. And I said I can work with this. I like this. This is going to be my new bonus page. So I went back to the templates to create a new site. I simply clicked Select, and then I named my site, and I clicked Start Building. Then you can see here's the template. Here is the mug that they are selling. You can see it's a Groove Pages limited edition white mug. They had these stars here. I left those. I simply replaced this with a headline and some bullets, and then started editing this page. This is very simple to do. Simply just click on the text that you want to edit. In this case, you can see I simply just added the word bonus with an exclamation point based upon the template, and then get all the bonuses on this page when you click and buy the link via this page. And then the rest of it, I just started changing out the elements. For example, to change out this video, I simply clicked on the video, deleted the video, and then I was able to come over to elements and say that I want to drop in an image, and then I simply just drag this over and drop this image exactly here where I wanted it, and then I was able to select that image, come over to the configure setting here, simply choose an image, and then you can see here I simply just uploaded those images or downloaded those images first from the offer page and the sales page, and of course the bonus images that I made inside of Canva. I just loaded those up into the page builder, selected that, hit update, and then instantly that image was added to the page. I just kept walking through that and developing the page, as you see here, to complete and finish this page. Of course, get images now. It's simply a button. You click on the button, click configure, and you link out to your Warrior Plus affiliate account and change the button label here to say what you want it to say, and click update. And then just drag and drop and click along all these different elements. Of course, here you can see is the element of the bonus images. Of course, this is a layout 2x2 element. So if you're to click elements, that would be column 1, column 2, column 3. And I changed this column down here to a layout 1 element. So if you were to go back and look at the template that I was working on and scroll down, you could see this was the original page here with some testimonials. This was a side-by-side 2 content boxes. I just changed those to images by deleting each one of these elements. And then I changed the bottom one, or I deleted the bottom one and changed that to a 1 column. And you can see here inside of that, it worked out really well because of the layout of the image. And really at this stage, all you're doing is you're clicking and you're looking at the elements and the templates, and you're working on spacing to get your spacing right, and you're working on size to get it the right size, and you're just moving through each element as you see, and you're just adding in those elements to include your logo down here. And you change in publisherreport.com, all rights reserved, for where it said something about groove pages. And then the next thing up that I wanted to do was I wanted to be able to deliver the bonus as I promised down here on the image where it said you will get all of these images delivered automatically. All you have to do is click this access affiliate button. Well, that is a link. So I needed a link to a page, and that page of course is built here in Groove Pages as well. And you can see I took the same template and I simply just said bonus. Use the button below to download your bonus. And I added a little element in here that said, hey, you got a few minutes. I think you'll enjoy this video. And I linked out to my YouTube channel. And then I said, now let's download your bonuses. Showed them the bonuses again, and then simply provided a button here. And if you click on this button, you'll see here when I configured this button, this is actually a link to app.groove.cm. And it's a link to a Groove member download link, because I wanted to keep all of this, the bonus page as well as the download page, and the ability to download the file inside of Groove to utilize Groove as a complete solution. To do that, simply come back up to your Groove dashboard, go over to Groove Member. Under Groove Member, you don't need to add a membership, course, or portal. You simply just click on Files. When you do that, you simply just will see right here the files that I have available. And to do that, you simply just click Upload File. Select the file you want to upload, give it a name, and upload the file. Then when that uploads, you simply just copy the URL. You'll see that the secure file URL copied to your clipboard. Go back to Groove Pages, manage that site that we were creating, the bonus page. Go back to Pages over here, and of course this is our bonus page here that we created to actually get someone to click on our affiliate link. And then this is the bonus download page that we created. And like I said, to download that bonus, all they simply have to do is click here to download the bonus. And of course, to add in that link that we copied, you simply just come here and paste in that link. And you can see that that is the link right there. That's the download link for them to secure their bonus that we offered on the bonus page. Of course, if you want to see this page, you can click publish, and then you can publish this page or the website. But to see it, you simply click here to go to it. And this is how the bonus will be delivered, simply by clicking here to download your bonuses. And you can see the download page with the download button. So there you have it, the bonus page that I used right here, how simple it was for me to just take a Groove Pages template as well as deliver the bonus images with a download button, all with inside of Groove using Groove Member and Groove Pages, and how I did it all simply, easily, and quite quickly. And I was able to make the money you see here, $141.08 from that bonus page that I created inside of Groove Pages. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.